Dank, Frau Wikström. Das Wort hat jetzt für die Fraktion der Grünen Frau Evans.
Thank you, President Grybauskaite. It's a great pleasure to see a small independent nation taking the presidency. I represent Wales, a small nation which is not an EU member state, and we are often told that we are too small to be independent, but you clearly prove that that's not the case. Your priorities include more democracy and transparency, something that the Green EFA Group has consistently worked for. You've talked about the need for a credible, growing and open Europe, and this will be crucial in the months ahead. We know that people are disillusioned, and we have to prove that the EU is essential to maintain peace and to enable us to tackle the economic, social and climate crises. We have to ensure that all people of all nations in the EU see their role in building a more democratic Europe, especially in this year of the citizens. As you say, tackling youth unemployment is critical. The Youth Guarantee could make a real practical difference if it's delivered in all Member States, which is why we are looking to your Presidency to monitor progress and to ensure that Member States keep to their commitment on this, linked to the Youth Employment Initiative. The two things go hand in hand, of course, and are linked too to the support we have to give to small businesses to help their recovery. We must create jobs, and that means investing in the economy, including in cooperative ventures and employee ownership, which can actually prevent job losses. On the Vilnius summit and signing the association agreement with Ukraine, the problems with selective justice must be resolved beforehand. And on energy policy, we have set energy efficiency targets, and we should give priority to achieving them as one of the easiest ways to help achieve energy independence. There are many challenges to be faced, and I wish you success with your presidency.
Vielen Dank, Frau Evans. Das Wort hat jetzt für die ECR-Fraktion Herr Tomaszewski.
Dankeschön, Herr Präsident. Pone Prezidente, pone Pirmininkė, man didelė garbė kalbėti vienos iš 5 didžiausių Europos parlamente frakcijos vardu. Lietuvos pirmininkavimas prasideda